Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Larry took the 3-hour trip from Maryland to have us take a look at his bike. He had some audio done on the bike that he just wasn't happy with. All good quality equipment. We just didn't agree with the way it was laid out. They cut 10s into the saddlebags, but they only used an 800 watt amp to run them, so the 10s were underpowered. They used paper cone 10s, so one of them got shredded because he rode in the rain, which you're supposed to do. It's a Harley. So we upgraded the 10s to NVS Audio carbon fiber 10s because they're weatherproof, so that wouldn't happen again. We upped the power. We took the 800 watt amp that was in the tour pack, moved it to the front with the other 800 watt amp that was up there. So now he's got two 800s in the front. We did a 3000.1 to drive the new 10s. We upgraded the battery to a lithium. He had good speakers on the bike. He was running PRV speakers, so we left them alone. We just retuned them and ran more power to them. We ended up sealing, porting the bags to get him more output. We left him his entire tour pack so he could use for storage. We added an HKI Mini DSP and an NVS Audio T harness. We reflashed the factory radio, and now the bike sounds phenomenal. We rewired it a little bit. All we did was move the 800 to the fairing, so now he's got two 800s in the fairing, 3000.1 in the tour pack, upgraded the battery, upgrading all the wiring. We kept the PRV speakers. He had speakers in the upper and lower fairing and in the tour pack pods. The bike sounds incredible. Now he has something he could ride in the rain, not worry about the speakers getting shredded. Sounds really, really good. He was really impressed with the way it sounded. We were really impressed with the way it sounded. And then we were able to put something together for him that he's gonna be able to enjoy and put miles and miles on. So check out the video, check out what we did for him.
Gotta buy my joint up on this bitch. I miss you. 3 times. Yeah. Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the street. Popping in her nose, it's gonna make her pussy leak. Pussy niggas told ain't gonna wake up at these feet. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do songs, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20 carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carat, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow, she'll go. Big bad nigga, bring the rats in. Got the shooters in the corner like a pack-in. She think cause she was at it, bitch, she attractive. That's that shit that get you put up at the station. And the model still the same.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I'm losing control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control. I just wanna spend a little time with you. With your permission, tonight I wanna be a little me on you. Oh yeah, with your permission, I wanna spend the night sipping on you. You know what I'm talking about, baby, yeah. Now it's time for you to show me what it's hitting for. Sip a little jack, maybe blow a little dro. Love you from behind, but I hate to
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Larry took the 3-hour trip from Maryland to New Jersey to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Was it worth it, Larry?
Man, it was more than worth it. It's more than what I ever expected. Anybody want any kind of bike work done, especially your sound system. come to see this man right here, the #1 in the country, and I should say the world.
Thank you,
Right
Larry.
here,
Appreciate
coax.
it. Thank you.